Hey guys, my name is Aftab. Today we will learn how to add Google Analytics code. How can allow Google Analytics in Magento. So guys, first of all, open admin area in Magento 2, right? Enter username and password, right? And go to store configuration, right? Inside the sales, you see here is option, no option here. Google API, yes, right. Here is Google, right? So guys, here is option Google Analytics allow. From right now you see in your area, here is source code. Don't have any Google, right? No one here is API in your source code, right? And after enabling yes, you can add your Google universal account number, right? Right, this is anyone my's IP, yes, because we need anyone enable context advertisement, right? Because we need allow everything, right? And you see after enabling cache, you go to cache system, right? And here is configuration, right? And allow, click on this and refresh, right? Done. And go to your refresh this page, and any page, your home page also, you go to home page, right? And source code, search Google, yeah, this is your from Google Analytics code, comes your Google Analytics code, right? So this is allow in admin area. From here this is allow, right? Google Analytics. And second things, here is Google Adwords, right guys? Because you want to add your ad from Google, so right from here is also enabling yes. And enter your language, right? From here you want to choose conversion rate, right? You can add from here format to 1, right? And label also here, and here is also conversion value constant. You can add from here, and your ID from here, right? You can add from your Google Adword ID, your Google tracking system. So both of things you can see from here. Google, not this is Google Analytics code, no one here Google Adword code right now, right? And here is now is saved from Google Analytics, right? Google Analytics, this is example. And now we pick no, sorry, Google AdWords, this will the Google AdWords, right? Google AdWords, right? Save from here. Oops, my bad. Because because Google AdWord ID is always integer, I put the Google Analytics IP, because this is IP, this is dummy, not for raw, not our real, right? So right, this is also hyphen, right? Conversion label you can allow from language as per your country, right? Conversion system format 2, because we need 2. This is color format, right? This is testing, you can add from here label, right? This is conversion rate, this is dynamic, or you want to add from constant, both of, right? And save this. This is save, and go to cache system, right? Configuration and pay system, right? And refresh it, right? Okay, and go to here homepage and refresh it.